Hey there, home inspection pros! Let's talk about local SEO and how to avoid those pesky mistakes that can trip us up. Trust me, I've been there, and I'm here to share some wisdom so you don't have to learn the hard way. First things first, don't fall into the set it and forget it trap with your Google business profile. Keep that baby updated regularly with fresh info, photos, and always respond to those reviews. It's like maintaining your favorite inspection tool. It needs regular TLC. Now, about keywords. We've all been tempted to stuff our content full of home inspector and city name phrases, right? But here's the deal. Write for humans first, search engines second. Use those keywords naturally, and Google will love you for it. Reviews are pure gold for local SEO, folks. Don't be shy about asking your happy clients to leave a review. A simple follow-up email with a link to your Google review page can work wonders. Is your website mobile-friendly? If not, you're missing out big time. Most folks are searching on their phones these days, so make sure your site looks great on all devices. Remember, we're local businesses. Get specific with your content. Write about common home issues in your area or local building codes. Show off that local expertise. Keep your NAP, name, address, phone number, consistent across all platforms. Google loves consistency, and so do your potential clients. So there you have it. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll be well on your way to local SEO success. If you found this helpful, why not start a conversation with us at speakwithbeth.com? We're always here to help you navigate the wild world of digital marketing. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on growing your home inspection business. Until next time, keep inspecting and optimizing.